Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. Have you accidentally deleted an important files, maybe photos, videos or school projects you spent hours working on? If yes, then you already know how frustrating and stressful that situation can be. But don't worry, you have come to the right place. In today's video, I am going to walk you through a simple and reliable way to recover your deleted and lost file using a wonderful tool called Wondershare Recoverit. This software is incredibly efficient and make it very easy for anyone to recover their missing data. Whether it was deleted by mistake, lost during a crash, or even disappeared due to corrupted drive, whether your data was stored on a PC, camera, memory card, external hard drive, or a USB stick, Recoverit supports a huge range of devices and files. So link is available in the video description. So click on it and install the software. Once you open it, you will see the dashboard like this. So Recoverit can restore photos, videos, audio files, documents, email and more. Pretty much everything you might need. So here you can see we have different options. Here we have hard drive locations. These options allows you to scan both your internal hard drive and any external drive like USB or portable SSD. Just like the drive where your file were lost, and Recoverit will begin scanning it thoroughly. At the left we have another options like video and photo restore mode. In the video and photo restore mode, this is one of my favorite features. It performs a deep scan specially designed for recovering lost or even broken video and photo files. This is especially helpful for creator, photographer or anyone who lost personal memories. In the corrupted video repair, something even when you recover a video, it might not play because it's damaged. Recoverit comes with a built-in video repair tool. So now let's talk about how you can recover your deleted data. I will start by deleting data from a USB drive just to demonstrate how easily it can be recovered. Once the data is deleted, I will go back to the Recoverit software and select the drive, and Recoverit will start scanning for lost file. You will be able to track the progress live, how much has been scanned or how many files have been found so far. On the screen, you can view your data in the randomize mode and the file type mode. It will take some time, it depends on your internet speed and your data. So wait here for a few minutes. During the process, you can pause or stop processing anytime. Once the scan is complete, you will see a neatly organized list of files grouped by type, like photos, videos, documents and more. This makes it super easy to find exactly what you are looking for. You can even preview files before recovering them, which is super helpful to make sure you are selecting the right one. You can select the photos, videos, documents, audio files and more. After selecting the files you want to bring back, click on the Recover button. Then choose a safe location on your computer to save them. Preferably not the same drive where the data was lost to avoid overwriting. And just like that, your file will be restored in just a few moments. And here you can see my data is recovered in my PC. I hope this video helped you understand how to recover your lost file using Wondershare Recoverit. Whether it's deleted picture, videos, important data like documents and more. And that's it for today's video. I hope you will found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.